Number 3, funded by the state government. This is bizarre. This is unacceptable. We will not accept this. We will not stand this saffronization of education in Odisha and states' rights. आम राज्यर अधिकार को एमाने छड़े नेबा पे व्यवस्था करूछंती एवं आपण मैडम जानिबे the new draft regulations prescribe the mode of search cum selection and appointments of the vice chancellor. It will be through a 3-member committee comprising a nominee each of the chancellor, UGC and apex body syndicate, senate, board of management of the university. So Odisha re kehi nahathi. What will happen? These people want to declare viceroys. The vice chancellors will be viceroys. जमती ब्रिटिश अमल चली उपरू थोप देवे दिल्ली रू तमें ये थोप गिणवा बाध्य हम